We just removed one of the ground effects here. You can see that underneath the car, the underside of the car, and the right here is where the exhaust port is going to come out. So what I have done here is actually just making a mark on the side skirt where the exhaust is going to come out and access through the body. So stay tuned. Okay, we just finished hooking up the exhaust exit. This is relatively a simple build because we're doing a DTM style, so I don't have to do a rear exit exhaust. So it's a side exit exhaust. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put the body on here, line everything up. So it's relatively simple, and as you can see here, and all I need to do here is build a exhaust shield around that, and that part of the project is done.